All right, welcome to Thursday. We'll start with our rhyme recognition. Remember, I say it, you repeat it. Give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. Rake, bake. Rake and bake rhyme. Ice, nice. Ice and nice rhyme. Door, fix. Door and fix don't rhyme. Wash, tap. I hope you gave me a thumbs down. Pool, school. Pool and school rhyme. Very good. Okay, onset fluency. Tell me a word that begins like the word I'm going to tell you. You can tell me maybe 1 to 3 words, okay? First, I'll say the word, you repeat it, and then you tell me some words that start with the same letter. Okay, kit. Maybe you said kite, or car, or cliff. Okay, if you said something else, it's okay as long as it started with the k sound. Here's the hard one. Ostrich. Okay, I hope you thought of a word that starts with ah. I'm trying to think of one. Octopus. Okay, maybe you only thought of one. That's okay. Man. Some words that start with might be Mike, met, married. Now. Some words that start with n, like now, are need, never, night. Okay, last one. Pie. Okay, some words that start with p, like pie, are pick, pig, pickle. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes together. I'll do it first. You repeat after me. B-E-B. O-A-lay. M-oo-moo. T-o-toe. R-I-rye. Very good. We're going to isolate our final sounds. That's when we punch out the final sound, okay? I'll do it first. You repeat after me. Sat. Rub. Fill. Hop. Dog. All right, good job. Okay, we're going to segment, so get those choppers out. I'll do it first. You repeat after me. C, S, E. Hi, H, I. By, B-I. No, N-O. Ray, R-A. Okay, good job. Now we're going to have a phoneme. We're going to add something to it, and you blend it together. When I put my hands together, you say the whole word, and then I'll say the word and make sure you got it correct. Okay? We're starting with oo. Add z to the beginning to make. You say it. Zoo. We're starting with a. Add w to the beginning to make. way. We're starting with E. Add F to the beginning to make. Fee. We're starting with A. Add D to the beginning to make. Day. We're starting with oo. Add y to the beginning to make. You. Very good. Now I'm going to delete part of the phoneme. Okay, we're starting with may. Without what's left? A. We're starting with high. Without h, what's left? I. We have the word knee. Without n, what's left? E. We have the word bow. Without b, what's left? O. We have the word lie. Without ul, what's left? I. Very good. Last part, when we substitute a phoneme, we change it out for another one. Okay, we have the word so, change s to n, and what's the word? No. We have the word no, change n to g, and what's the word? Go. We have the word go, change g to ul, and what's the word? Low. We have the word low, change ul to and what's the word? Mo. We have the word mo, change to s, and what's the word? So. We're back to so. Okay, and this day, our nursery rhyme is This Little Piggy, which I love. It's kind of a fun one. Repeat after me. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee, wee, wee all the way home. Okay, and tomorrow you get to pick your favorite. All right, I'll see you then.